guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll talk about this meme coin. No? So, you know, I only talk about projects that I believe in or that are doing something differently in the space. Today, I'm bringing you something that is really caught my attention, not because it found fast, but because it actually built right, guys. So, let me introduce you the Sponge or SOWH, or the Sponge of White House, guys, where the mystical charm of the White House meets the power of decentralized finance. So offers an ocean opportunities. Dive with the SpongeBob and his friends as you guide and follow this simple step to get your hands on SOWH, guys. Currently, this is the DEX screener. Okay, you will see the token right here. It goes down a bit and then goes high and then goes down again, and then it will pump, I think, tomorrow, guys, if you buy on this guys, now of 0.006251, if I'm not mistaken, no? So this is the current Twitter. They have 577 followers. Just follow this one, guys. Okay, so the meme project, this is the beginning. Okay, Sponge of White House top secret meme on Summit. If you want to buy this token, just click to buy now, and there is a guide right here. You can also see the wallet address of this meme coin, guys. Set up a Solana, so compatible wallet Solana. So download and install Solana supported. You can also use MetaMask, guys. Okay, you can connect MetaMask if you are, or if you want to use MetaMask either. Okay, if you like, or you don't know how to use Phantom, Solflare, or Solid, you can also use the MetaMask wallet, guys. Just make sure you are in the Sol network and you have a Sol token on your wallet. So purchase SOWH, ensure you have Solana in your wallet, and the number to connect a Solana DEX and swap Sol for SOWH. So you can use here, guys, and then connect your wallet right here. Make sure you have your Solana wallet has a Sol, guys. Just sign in, use your Google, or just connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, guys. Okay, you can use your MetaMask wallet also. So refresh this page and then let's connect again. Okay, let's see if we can connect now. Connect wallet and then MetaMask, guys, right there. Okay, you can see here that you can connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, and then just sign in message to verify that you want to sign in on this DEX screener, and then you can buy a token right now. Okay, so easy as that. And then track your SOW balance. Once the transaction is complete, you can check your SOWH balance anytime in your wallet. So this is the current roadmap of this meme coin. So phase 1, launch on a Believe Launchpad. SOW goes live with a fair launch on Believe Launchpad, allowing early investor to get in at the ground floor. And then the phase 2, Prudential Address. Phase 3, Oval Office Strategies. Phase 4, Cabinet Expansion. Phase 5, National Recognition. And Phase 6, Executive Privilege, Reward and Raffle Exclusive Airdrops, Raffle, and Incentives for loyal SOWH holder as the movement grows. Okay? So legal disclaimer, this is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation in financial return, and this is entertainment purposes only, guys. So this is the meme coin of SOWH or Sponge White House, guys. So Elon Musk got done last week, cried about Trump, cried about Elon, made it into the office for once, read some emails, cried about Trump and Elon some more. So Trump deploys SpongeBob meme to troll dogs and critics. Trump deploys SpongeBob meme to troll dogs, doge, or critics, guys. Okay, so what is on the news? Get started. The Sponge White House brings SpongeBob's iconic laugh and absorb humor on the blockchain, guys. Okay, so again, if you want to buy this token, just go to this DEX screener, log in your MetaMask wallet, Phantom, or Solflare wallet, and make sure you have the Solana token, and just buy the token, guys. Okay, so this is the again the Twitter of this meme coin. Okay, so up just normal coin, down. So SpongeBob choose SLR, and now he's on his way to the moon. The first SpongeBob launch from chair to space, guys. Okay, I think that's all for today's again Crypto Hasi, and then make sure to invest what you can afford to lose for today's video, guys. Okay, this is the roadmap and this is how to buy this meme coin is SpongeBob. Okay, again, bye bye, thank you.